Today I'm going to talk about scars. We have this scar, this retracted scar that pull up the cupid arch and also pull down the nose. This patient went to several surgeons. All of them said the procedure, the chirurgical procedure, the surgeon procedure is difficult. She saw many videos of laser treatment. I suggest her to perform a laser in order to pull down the hypertrophic scar, and in the same way to perform a kinesiological treatment to elongate this area, to liberate the nose and the lip. Here we can see the retraction of the nose and how the cupid arch is pulled up, and this part of the labia is very short, meanwhile this is long. I performed a lotus laser, a nervium laser, 2-3 sessions, and here we can see how was elongated the lip, how the nose occupied a new position, and how the lip is very long and the protrusion is very low. And I performed this without anesthesia, without downtime, and I think the result is remarkable compared with the pre and post. We can see the scar was the hypertrophic scar, now is flat, the lip have the normal longitude, the nose have projection, and I think is a wonderful result without surgical procedure.